Hello everyone. Today, we techwiz are here to present our project titled Safe Serve, a real-time food safety monitor. Our idea focuses on ensuring that the food we eat, especially from street vendors and small restaurants, is safe, hygienic and transparent to every customer.
India's street food culture is massive. Over 200 million people eat street food every single day. But millions also fall sick due to foodborne illnesses because there's no real time way to check whether the food is actually safe. Right now, food safety depends only on occasional inspections, which means unsafe food can easily slip through. This is the hidden food safety crisis that inspired our project. Food safety today depends on rare inspections, not daily monitoring. Unsafe food can easily slip through.
Why this problem exists? The reason this problem still exists is simple. Testing food safety is expensive and impractical. Each lab test can cost more than 5,000 rupees and takes several hours. Vendors have no real-time tools, no transparency, and no clear safety parameters to follow. Customers can't verify what they are eating, and even when good vendors don't get rewarded for maintaining quality. So, in short, everyone suffers. Consumers risk their health, vendors lose trust in business, and the government lacks reliable safety data.
Our objective is to create a portable, affordable, and fast device that can test food safety on the spot in just 2 minutes. The device gives an instant safety score which customers can verify by simply scanning a QR code.
The proposed solution we call our innovative Safe Serve. It's a 7-in-1 sensor-based system that checks various food safety parameters such as temperature, acidity, water purity, air quality, freshness, and even fermentation. The results are displayed instantly on a color-coded safety meter and shared via QR code for complete transparency. It's a solar-powered, low-cost, and can be used by anyone, for small vendors to NGOs and inspectors.
The brain of our system is an ESP32 microcontroller, chosen for its Wi-Fi capability and IoT compatibility. Power comes from a solar panel and a Li-ion battery, ensuring the system works even in remote or outdoor conditions. The readings are shown on a 3.5-inch LCD display and also stored on an SD card for data logging. Here are the sensors we use. DS18B20 for temperature, pH and TDS sensors for water and acidity, MQ135 and MQ3 for air and gas detection, color sensor for freshness, load cell for calibration.
The working principle. The working process of this project is very simple. Step 1. The vendor connects a food sample. The sensors start collecting data. Step 2. The microcontroller analyzes this data and calculates a safety score from 0 to 100. Step 3. The score is shown on the LCD screen and also converted into a QR code that customers can scan to view the results. It's a completely transparent and automated process. No need for manual testing or expert handling.
The score is based on multiple factors: temperature 30%, chemical quality, pH, TDS 25%, freshness, color, gas 25%, hygiene factors 20%, and the interpretation is simple: 8 to 100 safe, 60 to 79 caution, 0 to 59 unsafe. This ensures quick decisions for both vendors and customers.
Innovation and uniqueness. What makes SafeServe truly stand out is its all-in-one capability. While most systems test only one parameter, ours checks 7. It's also affordable, around 2000 rupees per prototype. making it realistic for everyday vendors. Plus, with solar power and QR transparency, it encourages trust and awareness in the community.
The Safe Serve system can be used by street food vendors to prove quality and attract more customers, cafeterias and small restaurants for daily checks, food inspectors and NGOs for real-time data collection. Overall, it bridges the gap between safety, trust, and technology.
In conclusion, SafeServe makes food safety affordable, fast, and transparent. It benefits everyone. Vendors gain customer trust, consumers stay safe, and authorities get real-time data for monitoring. Our future plans include AI-based spoilage prediction, camera freshness detection, voice-based multilingual UI, and a cloud dashboard for government and NGOs. With this, we come to the end of our presentation. Thank you for your attention, and we are ready to make safe food a daily reality, not just a rare inspection.